Good morning, everybody. It's Jesse from Jesse Golf Cart Shop, showing you what's going on. We rebuilt this rear end. As you can see, all the TIG welding, they busted it all out. We put a new support, welded all it up, put all new bearings, gears, a couple of gears. It's all on like toast. And we're working on our fence. We got our little press steel made to bend the points, and so we can build this over here. We built a jig. We're building fences with bent and points on both ends. As you can see the point on both ends. Points on both ends. Our stuff. We're rebuilding a motor for this one. This one's going to be for sale pretty soon. We're putting a brand new rebuilt V16 motor. Going to clean it all up, put it for sale. Anybody interested in buying it? It'll be sale pretty soon. Once we get the motor back and rebuilt, we've got the motor in the machine shop getting everything built. What else? That's about it. We're going to be working on this right here pretty soon. Building a rack and putting light bars on it and everything.